legit been gone for like 3 months, but I miss you guys so much. Like pickups that were releasing, but just to give you guys an update on what's been going on, I have gotten married. Yeah, I can see the ring here. Yes, my wedding, me and my husband, formerly my fiance, like we had a beautiful, memorable, epic black love wedding. I'm gonna insert a picture right here. Y'all, legit the happiest day in my life, and something I will never forget. When you find the one, true love of your life, the person you want to be with for the rest of your life, like everything else is history. And this created our beautiful love story from there. So that's what I've been doing. Y'all, just enjoying married life, being a wife, and everything that comes with it. Love my husband so much. Like, we were meant to be. Loved the wedding, had so much fun and everything. Wedding reception, had a blast. But on to this video, you guys. My husband hit on these. These had restocked, yeah, on the sneakers app, and I told him they restocked like 3 times. I told him like, yeah, babe, you need to get these. They have pairs available. First they restocked on Foot Locker, and then it was on the sneakers app for like 3 days. He was able to get his pair with no problem. So as y'all can see, the standard OG original Air Jordan 1 Nike box got that red and black color blocking, and y'all can see the size and tag says size 10, not my size. I'm looking forward for them restock on them UNC 6s, y'all. Like, stay tuned for that video. So you got that, and we're gonna do this together. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I think these were like very underrated. Like, a lot of people, I didn't see many videos at all, but these are nice to me. My husband likes them too. So y'all see, 1, 2, 3 Air Jordan 1 Brotherhood, y'all. These were inspired by the Omega Psi Phi fraternity. Yeah, these are dope. They come with a pair of 3 laces total, extra set of white laces, extra set of gold laces, and the purple laces in there already. Colorway is Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG University Gold Light Bordeaux. But y'all tell me what y'all think. These are dope to me. Like, if I would have got them in my size, like these, I feel like these are really dope. Tumble plush leather, got that University Gold color blocking on the toe box, and then the back of the heel got the Bordeaux purple, light Bordeaux purple, the Nike swoosh, and then around the front of the shoe, just that University Gold and light Bordeaux color blocking. You got the Bordeaux Wings logo right here on the side. Then you also have that white on the midsole and also around the shoe, and then you have this mesh tongue, all white. Then you got the Nike Air patch here with the light Bordeaux purple and the University Gold. You got the bottom sole, which has the University Gold, which I think gives it a nice touch. Insole is the light Bordeaux purple with University Gold with the light Bordeaux purple. Size 10, y'all seen that. So this shoe is clean to me. It's very nice, and I love, y'all know I love me some Jordan 1s. Color blocking around it as well. Like, this shoe is very dope. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Like I said, I did not see a lot of reviews on this at all. I don't know if people weren't feeling them, but this is definitely a dope colorway. So y'all tell me what y'all think about these. Like, this is dope to me, and I love the new Jordan 1 new shoe smell. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Like, at the end of this year, Jordan 1 is going to increase from 170 to 180. Like, man, the price is going up. But y'all stay tuned for the restock of the UNC 6s grade school pair on the sneakers app. I definitely missed out on those, but I cannot wait to get those, and definitely is going to do a review over the UNC 6s for you guys, and also on feet, so y'all can see what they look like on my feet. Quick little video, quick little life update on what's been going on in my life. I'm also have a new position at my job now. I'm a sous chef now, so yeah, I'm excited. Cooking is a passion of mine, always has been. I love everything cooking wise. So y'all tell me what y'all think of this video, and there's definitely future pickups to come. Like, me and my husband gonna be going on trips, and I'm gonna be vlogging. We're gonna be doing all that good stuff. So y'all tell me what y'all think. Miss you guys so much. To my next video, y'all stay tuned for that. subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media, and it's your girl, Her Kicks. I'm out. Bye guys.